Umphniang hating
Nagabenta ki kubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Ichamati. Shillong Yayong Artery. Kumba hoit ko Umphniang kluj hakamet but pdung lut kamet kapat. Hato yo dawai ni ban tak penjam pan penlip yakading bahot Umphniang. Balai bat kumno ka jar. Hato ka day ni ka bashisha ka jingra jang ka tanat ki pulit. Ya arngot ki dekhot ka Khasi Students Union. Bala suba don kti halor ka jingsha bom yap ya arngot ki nong bala bar jela ha Ichamati East Khasi Hills. Menta ka syang ha ka jing start jong ki bor pulit ban le ya ka kamram jong ki. Ya kini ki arngot la kem na la ki jong ki yeng sa ha ka miet sngin kong. Ki bala tip kerteng kum usambor shati ba ar pun reus nam karta but ume shadap sopen. Kini baro arngot ki day ki dekhot ka KSU South Khasi Hills District. Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District, Ritu Raj Ravi, ula pentikin aya ka tay ka jingkem ki arngot ki dekhot ka KSU, la kem na sora hinnen kamiet, syo na kalyang utay ukliat do ka district. Ula pentit bakatanat ki pulit, kanom aya ka jingtip ka babnya, ya menta namar barang ya ajing tokin kini ki arngot kit khot ka KSU day ki balatip kerteng ku sambor shati ka alpun riusnam ba ume shadap sopen kini baro arngot ki day kit khot ka KSU South Khasi.
Both were produced to court today and the court has granted to us 7 days of police custody.
What are the sections?
3, 4. And further sections we will see as the investigation proceeds.
Any more persons involved in the crime?
Investigation is going on. Thank you.
Sir, what are the name of these two?
I'll read it out to you. One is Shri Shanborlang Shati and the other one is Shri Mesada 4 Skembil. Both 26 years old.
Where are they from?
Soda.
So, are the police...
This is still going on.
Okay.
We are at the very initial stages of investigation. So, investigation will go on into this case.
So, what is the...
This is at very initial stage and it will go on. Thank you.
So, the relative...
No, but we got certain leads into this case, the details of which I am not at liberty to divulge. And in the pursuit of that, last night we were able to make these 2 arrests. Thank you. This is an investigation into 2 murders. Law will take its own course. Thank you. It is now normal, peaceful. Thank you. Additional force from outside the district, both in under Shala PS jurisdiction, also in Shillong.
How many companies?
No, they are from Meghalaya police only, but from outside district.
So, in view of the arrest before they have taken, that the situation might escalate. Any kind of arrangement made, special arrangements or security arrangement for this?
Yes, we are maintaining highest vigil that no untoward incident take place, and we are hopeful the situation will remain peaceful.
Thank you.
The inquiry is still on, and yes, we have picked up 2 people from there, and I will not give you all the details since the investigation is on. So let us be a little more patient till we reach out to the conclusion. Then only we'll be able to tell exactly what is happening. Well, the message is very clear. Be it our local NGOs or be it the non-tribal NGOs, so-called. My request and my appeal to all of them is, please don't cross the line. You can't cross the line. Let the law prevail as it is, and the law will not spare to anybody. So I would like to appeal and request all of them to refrain from such kind of incident, which is very, very unfortunate to everybody. So I would like to request all of them that see the law is above everybody, and from the government side, we'll make sure that let the law takes its own course. We all say the challenges are always there, but we are prepared for it. Whatever law and order arises, we are there. We are capable to handle things. And as I said to you, my request is only this: that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I may call it the fake statement made, that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.